some doing to follow the Mi 11 Ultra. But I think I've got just the right product for the job. So yes, Mi fans, today I'm super excited to talk about the next generation flagship TV from the house of Mi TV. But first, let's take a quick recap of what we have managed to achieve so far. And that's thanks entirely to all of you guys out there. Mi TV has changed the smart TV landscape here in India. And we have made great TV technology accessible to everyone. Now, smart TV penetration has grown from 18% before our entry into the Indian market to over 55% today. And we have been India's #1 smart TV brand for 11 consecutive quarters now. That's almost 3 years, and nearly all the way from our entry back in February 2018. Since then, we have shipped over 6 million TVs. That's right, 60 lakhs unit. And we're equally committed to the Make in India program here in India. 100% of our smart TVs today are locally made in Indian factories. And we are extremely proud to announce that our latest flagship that we're going to talk about today will also be made here in India. In December last year, we launched our 55-inch Mi QLED TV, which was our best TV yet in terms of premium flagship technology. Our media colleagues and all of you Mi fans absolutely love this TV. This is also the best-selling QLED TV on Flipkart. But today, we're taking a giant step further with the TV we are calling the Theatre of Tomorrow, presenting the Mi QLED TV 75. Now, why it is called the Theatre of Tomorrow? Well, we have been listening to our Indian consumers and especially to all of our Mi fans. And we know that you have been looking to get your hands on a TV with the most premium technology, bigger displays and all-around immersive experience similar to what you find in a cinema hall. This need has now been amplified due to the prevailing situations and a new way of life that we're still adapting to. We know consumers are therefore looking to bring home a large screen, premium sound experience that's coupled with the beautiful immersive visuals to try and recreate the same cinematic experience at home. And since TVs are also a long-term investment, consumers deserve tech today that is ready for the future. We have heard you and considered all of these factors. And so today, we're launching the Mi QLED TV 75. This is our biggest and the most advanced TV yet to recreate the theatre experience right in your living room that will stand the test of time. It truly is the theatre of tomorrow. Now, how big is a 75-inch TV really? Well, it's really big. Let me give you some perspective. Remember our 55-inch QLED TV? Well, it would take almost 2 of them to cover the area of the 75-inch TV. That's right, twice the screen size of the 55-inch QLED TV. And if you take our Mi LED TV 32-inch, it will take not 2, not 4, but 6 of them to fill the area of 75-inch TV. We have worked very hard and closely with all of our partners to whom we are very grateful to make this product here in India. And yes, to reiterate, the Mi QLED TV 75-inch will be made here in India. Now, let's talk about design. The Mi QLED TV 75 comes with the all-new design that exudes luxury. We have designed the TV keeping premium aesthetics in mind and ensuring that it elevates your living space whether on or off. It comes with a premium metallic alloy frame with minimal bezels. To be specific, the TV has 97% screen to body ratio, giving it a clean all-screen appearance whether on the wall or on the table. To further the aesthetics and balance, we have designed an all-new premium stand that ensures perfect balance for such a large screen TV, which also adds an aesthetic dimension to it. This almost floating airborne design gives the surreal impression of a large canvas levitating in the middle of your living room. To top things off, the back of the TV is covered with a film of carbon fiber to round off the premium design, even when you see it from the back. Next, let's talk about my favorite section, the display. And I'm kicked to announce that this TV comes with many amazing new inclusion in this department. Firstly, the Mi QLED TV comes with a 4K QLED panel. The Q in QLED owes its name to quantum dots. These quantum dots absorb energy from a light source and release pure monochromatic red, green and blue light. The result is an amazing leap in picture quality with 100% color volume and unmatched saturation with deeper black levels. And the QLED technology brings two key advantages: wider color range and purer, well-saturated colors. This is also our first TV that comes with a 120Hz refresh rate panel. This, coupled with our proprietary Reality Flow 120, ensures a seamless and smooth viewing experience even if you're watching maybe 24 or 48Hz content on your TV. Needless to say, this feature is really useful for fast-paced content like sports or playing games on your favorite console. The Mi QLED 75 also comes with full array local dimming technology. This is another first from the house of Xiaomi. Now, full array local dimming ensures that your TV gives you the most amazing contrast to complement the brilliant colors supported by the 4K QLED panels that's underlining the display technology. With full array local dimming, the TV comprises of hundreds of LEDs which are divided into zones. We have 192 of these zones, which is almost double the number offered by premium competition models. The more the zones, the more granular is the control over the contrast across the huge 75-inch screen. This technology shines even more when you use it with HDR technology, and we have packed all the popular ones here: Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus and even hybrid log gamma. High dynamic range technology ensures best possible picture quality and is as real as it can get as far as imaging goes. All of this ensures that you get to watch your favorite content while it looks at its best. But then we have done something more, our special sauce to make our TVs unique and a little more special than the rest of the playing field, and that is the Vivid Picture Engine, which is our in-house tuning that brings all of these incredible display technologies together. This entails a lot of effort and it is tuned only after watching hundreds of hours of content across multiple content platforms to find the best formula for your viewing pleasure. And next, let's talk about sound. The Mi QLED TV 75-inch comes with 30 watts of speaker enabled by 6 drivers that can support Dolby Audio and DTS HD. But what makes this speaker better than the rest? Well, it's the combination of the industrial design structure and the tuning that we do here at Xiaomi. This 6-speaker setup comprises of 2 tweeters, 2 full-range drivers and 2 woofer drivers. This is coupled with a huge 1-liter speaker cavity that ensures a fuller sound that envelopes your living room and complements those sharp visuals on screen. Now, let's talk about what makes our TVs so smart. Patch wall is one of the main reasons why our smart TVs are so popular. All of the incredible tech that we have covered so far is meaningless in today's age without a special focus on the content consumption experience. Patch wall is India's most intuitive smart TV experience you can get. We have integrated over 25 content partners across various genres, and we all know about the many cumulative hours you must spend on just finding the right content to watch. What's the point of a theater when there's nothing great to watch on it? Some of the popular features are Universal Search, which works across platforms, Kids Mode, Smart Recommendation, Language Universe, User Center, India's Top 10 and much more. User Center is our latest addition and is a one-stop shop to find latest trailers, content offers and access all your apps, including our all-new Mi Home app. Yes, this is the first Mi TV that is compatible with the Mi Home app. With Mi Home app, you can control all our AIoT products right from the TV. This app is designed to provide a seamless experience when it comes to controlling all your favorite Mi Smart products like the Mi Security Camera, the Mi Smart Bulbs, the Mi Air Purifier and our latest Mi Robo Vacuum Cleaner. Finally, let's get to why this TV is your best bet for the future. This TV comes with HDMI 2.1 connectivity that gives you enhanced audio return channel, also known as eARC. It also comes with auto low latency mode that automatically switches to the game mode on TV with the lowest possible latency. We know most gamers love all things speed, and I'm sure they will appreciate this feature. Now, let me show you something cool. Something you'll appreciate even in the future. Okay Google, play latest Bollywood songs. That's right, you don't need to use the remote anymore to start watching your favorite TV shows, movies or anything else. Just tell your TV what you want to watch and let it do the rest. This is the beauty of the far-field mics on the Mi QLED TV 75 and the hands-free Google Assistant. You can do almost everything that you could do with a Mi remote. And by the way, you can also turn off the mics with the press of a mute button present at the bottom of the TV. The hands-free experience doesn't just stop with this feature. We are super excited to announce that the Mi QLED TV 75 will be our first TV that works with Alexa. With this feature, you can use your existing Echo devices like Echo Dot to talk to our TV and to perform a range of functions that brings convenience to your life. This feature will be rolled out later this month as an OTA update. All of that makes a really well-rounded, future-ready experience on the Mi QLED TV 75. I'm happy to share that the chip on this TV is a powerful 64-bit quad-core A55 processor coupled with Mali G52 MP graphics that ensures smooth navigation and quick app launches. It also comes equipped with 2 GB of RAM that helps you easily breeze through your everyday activities. In terms of storage, you get a 32 GB of internal storage space that ensures you have ample room to install all your favorite apps and games from the Play Store. The Mi QLED TV 75 comes with Android TV 10 that has access to Play Store, which has over 5,000 plus apps and games. You also get features like Chromecast built in so that you can cast from multiple apps across various devices to the TV with just a tap of a button. So that was it, our most advanced smart TV yet, and one that I'm extremely proud to launch today. Let's do a quick recap of everything that the amazing Mi QLED TV 75 has to offer. The Mi QLED TV 75 comes with a massive 75-inch 4K QLED display, Reality Flow 120Hz for buttery smooth visuals, 192 full array local dimming zones, 30-watt stereo speakers with Dolby Audio, hands-free Google Assistant via far-field mics, a premium design with 97% screen-to-body ratio, and the latest patch wall with Android TV 10. Now let's take a look at how our TV compares with the existing competition in terms of QLED TVs in this category. As you can see, not only we are comparable with most of the specs available with the competition, we have advantages in key functional areas like Dolby Vision compatibility, more local dimming zones, and an improved sound output. As you can see, the competition is steeply priced at over 3.5 lakh Indian rupees. We are happy to say the Mi QLED TV 75 will be available at 1,19,999. What's more, we have also lined up some exciting offers at the launch date. You can get up to 7,500 discount on the Mi QLED TV 75 with HDFC Bank credit card along with easy EMI options. Now that makes for quite a steal if you ask me. You can buy the Mi QLED TV 75 starting April 27 from Mi.com, Mi Homes and Flipkart. So that was it. The Mi QLED TV 75 is a product we are extremely proud of. It's a product that we brought to the market after listening to all our Mi fans and consumers, all of whom were looking for a more premium, big screen viewing experience. And we really hope that you like what you've seen today. And now to talk about the next product, which I'm sure you're all excited about, let me call Sumit. Now I know